We need his stolen property back.
Yeah. Okay. Then the property can be released if it's not evidence.
What if it's evidence? What if it's evidence of the police committing a crime? Are you still going to steal the property? I'm just asking.
We still need to look into the incident to see what's going on.
Okay, but what I'm saying is it's a yes or no question. I'm just curious what your procedure would be if the police had committed a crime here. Would you keep that man's property if evidence of police committing a crime was on it?
Let us first see what we have first, and then we can answer the question.
I see what you're doing, but it's really just a yes or a no on your procedures.
And you're holding that?
Sir, I don't want you to be behind me. You can record from over here.
I'll record from wherever I want in a public space.
I don't want you to be.
You shut up. I'll record wherever I want in a public space. Shut your mouth. So we've got a transit station here. Hey man, are you Dart, please?
Yeah.
This is the headquarters, right?
Uh-huh.
Hey, can I get a watch commander to talk to? Or tell me where the front lobby is and I'll head in there.
See this side over here?
Mm-hmm.
The walk down that sidewalk.
Uh-huh.
You make a right. It's the entrance. It's open over there.
Okay.
You see a flagpole over there.
Okay. All right. Hey, do you know if public photography is legal?
Yeah, it's legal.
It is legal?
Yeah.
Okay, does Dart have a habit of assaulting 76-year-old photographers and stealing cameras?
Not that I know of.
Not a regular thing, just a freak. Okay, cool. All right, thanks, man.
Cool.
Yeah. Other individuals have been here. News Now Patrick has been here, had a horrible experience. There's almost 300,000 views on that video with famous Officer Santos. So we're going to go in, and they said that they've trespassed him from the property. So he is nearby, but not on the property right now. Hi. Can you speak into this so that I can hear you? She wants me to sign in. Hi, I have no intention of signing anything, but I would like to speak to a watch commander, please.
Who do you want to talk to?
What's that?
Who do you want to talk to?
A watch commander?
Who?
A watch commander. Police? This is the Dart Police Department, is it not?
What is the name? What is your contact name?
I don't have a contact name. I'd like to speak to a watch commander. Who is in charge? Okay, are there any police here? Okay, I'm confused. We got, is this the police department?
Yes, sir.
But you don't even, okay, can you get me police? Are you kidding me? Are you effing kidding me? Please sign in. Screw yourself.
Yes, sir.
I need a watch commander.
Watch commander.
Yes, watch commander.
Supervisor?
A supervisor, a lieutenant, chief of police.
Yeah, chief of police, you don't, you can talk to them unless you have an appointment.
Okay, I need a watch commander immediately. So, like, say a violent crime happened and somebody beat up an old man and robbed him. I would need somebody. I would need a police to help me out with that.
They consider themselves peacemakers.
Peacemakers. Huh. When did peacemakers start beating the crap out of old folks and robbing them? I guess that's a new thing.
No other gang in America would be able to hijack the American flag and desecrate it and not get whiplash for it.
And then hijack Christianity as well. Peacemakers? Are you kidding me? Yes. Yeah, I'm looking for a watch commander to come out and talk to me about a crime. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I'm looking for a watch commander to come out and talk to me about a crime that was committed yesterday.
Okay, so you need
Fill
to
it
make
out.
a report?
Well, no, I need to get the crime was committed by the Dart police. I need to get the stolen property back from the Dart police and get criminal charges filed against the officers who assaulted an elderly man yesterday on these premises right here where we stand right now.
So you need to make a complaint.
I need more than a complaint. I need those cameras back. I need his property back. I need to talk to whoever you can get me in regards to the issue that happened yesterday. I'm just talking loud because so she can hear me through the glass. You're coming? All right, they're coming. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, they're coming. She just said, yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Calm down. Are you serious? That's pretty thick glass. I can't hear her through it. Why would she hear me through it? She said, yeah, she gave me a thumbs up. Yeah. You have to speak loud to be heard through that glass.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing? I've been better.
I'm Lieutenant Roy Horner. How are you doing?
Roy Horner?
Yes.
All right. So, I guess you could hear me from up there, huh?
A little bit.
Not trying to yell, just trying to make
Yeah,
sure they could.
It has a microphone system on it, so she's able.
Oh, okay. I couldn't hear her, so I assumed she couldn't hear me. So, do you want to go outside and talk? It's kind of echoey in here, or do you want to talk here? Whatever's. Okay. I don't know if you're aware of the incident that happened yesterday. Very few people are because the cameraman had his camera stolen, and so the story wasn't posted. But there was a 76-year-old journalist. I'm cutting here for time. The story is better told by the individual who was there, and I'll tell it in just a moment. The only reason we came in without him is because they trespassed him from the building, so we came beforehand to get permission for him to come on the property. And we need to get the cameras back before any footage is deleted, if it hasn't been already. And they were, I didn't think so either, but
I'll put it this way: nothing better than deleted.
that's, yeah. Unfortunately, I've seen it happen before. Here. So at this point, I think that the first order of business is let's get him on the property. He's down the road.
He's internal affairs too.
He's just down the road.
You gonna bring him over here?
Can we bring him here without him being arrested then? Okay, we can go and pick him up.
Yeah, and you want to file a complaint, you can. You ain't gonna get arrested.
You guys wear body cams, all the officers out there? Okay. Is there a policy with your department that if they have a body cam that they're supposed to turn it on during an interaction? It is? Okay.
Your friend signing?
No, I'm not signing in. I got no desire to sign in.
Okay, well, make sure you put it on camera, because our policy here said our business to sign in.
What's that?
Our policy here, when you go see a flag spot, our
Yeah.
business to sign in.
I understand,
That's where I say.
but policy isn't law, so I don't. We've dealt with retaliation. You can see it in this case right here. I've dealt with plenty of retaliation. I don't intend to.
So have a reduced immunity. I've taken the shot for pneumonia. I took the Prevnar 13 shot, which is for 13 straight pneumonia. Then I caught pneumonia and almost died. I took a flu shot and almost died of flu.
How you doing? My name is Sergeant Challenge, Officer Investigator Ward. We work for internal affairs. Do you have a complaint, right?
Well, I'll make a complaint. I'm here to pick up my cameras.
Well, then you gonna get with them. They'll bring you. If you
have
got,
a form?
yes, I got it. Right
Yeah,
here.
we'll take that with.
You coming in or you taking it home?
Yeah, we'll take it with.
Oh, you did. Okay. All right.
Just when you sign it, be sure you bring it back here so we can notarize it.
Okay.
They'll do it for free.
Okay.
You have a business card we can give them?
Oh, okay.
Every time the police touch me,
Okay.
I tell them where I hurt, and they get there and they twist and beat on me there.
A friendly touch. Sorry.
Don't touch me.
Okay. So, ask this lady and give your name and all that. They'll find out.
We could touch. We could bump, and it's not going to hurt. I'm telling you,
We don't take care of your property.
he's in a lot of pain regularly.
Right?
What's that movie?
Unbreakable. Yeah.
I don't have a phone.
He's in constant pain.
I do not have a card.
Can you
Hey,
get
y'all
someone
give
from
me something
CID?
with your name and badge number and your name and badge number on
My
it.
name is Roy Wilkes,
I can't remember that.
badge 100. He's filming it.
Okay?
Can we get a card?
I'm asking. That's
don't
a
have a
friend of
card.
mine, but I'm just asking for that information.
I can write it down for you.
That's what I asked, if you could do that. And if you could do that, please. Thank you.
Oh, we're in a public area. If you guys want to have a private conversation, you have to go to a private area.
They're gonna have somebody come down here and see you, okay, about your property,
Okay.
all right?
Disabled for taking pictures. And they said that's the reason that I was being detained was I took a picture of a officer's license plate and I said, is that against the law? And he said, yes, absolutely.
So specifically that there was a license plate in public.
Well, actually,
And so that's
you know,
why they went after you.
actually their front plate was solid black with a blue line about that big going across. And I thought that was illegal. I thought everybody has to have a front plate. So I went around to the back and took a picture so that I can contact the Department of Public Safety and find out why police have extra privileges that we, the citizens, have not given. And the Supreme Court said, you can take all the pictures you want if you can see it and you're in a place that you're allowed to be legally as a member of the public, you can take a picture, and that's all I did. I took pictures of map that they had over in the train station. I took pictures of the different schedules that they had. They had different sayings up on the wall. I took pictures of that. I walked around the building, took pictures of the building.
Adam K., when he got home yesterday, his wife took pictures of his bruises and
Well, also the gouges. I've got a
Yeah.
gouge on my arm. I've got other cuts over here. I got bruises all up and down my arms. It's all red across my back. And I just had a surgical procedure last Monday for my back, so they screwed that up. I'm in so much pain that most of the time it's like the shaking is from the pain. It's just, you can't imagine what it's like to be in that much pain, to have a 76-year-old man to be thrown to the ground, somebody jump on your back, jump up and down on your back with their knees, their legs, their knees going across my back and across my neck. I'm yelling, I'm disabled, I'm an old man, please don't do that. They start pulling on my shoulder. I asked, please, I have a shoulder injury. So the more I told them that, the more they pulled on it and shoved it. Well, what I don't understand, that officers in Texas have to be TCOL certified, and it's my understanding that as of January of, I believe, last year, which will be 2017, all officers were supposed to have completed a course on photography and public, that it is not a crime. It is not suspicious. In fact, that's what the Supreme Court says. They said photography in public is not suspicious. There has to be there has to be a crime afoot. Just like in Terry versus Ohio, there has to be a crime afoot for them to detain me. And I told them that again and again. I asked them what crime was afoot, and they refused to answer. I said, you can stop me to investigate, but you cannot, will not, shall not.
We got the property coming.
They're not going to answer.
They've all of a sudden stopped talking. They've shut down. I mean, of all the people, I tell people that police can't protect you and that you're responsible for protecting yourself. And then people tell me, well, what about maybe the elderly, that maybe they can't protect themselves? Well, for God's sakes, people, if you leave it up to the police, they'll just beat the tar out of them. You didn't see her?
To me, she kind of acted as though she didn't know what was going on.
I don't think she has any idea what's going on. From the attempt at a discussion just to get an officer out here when we got here, I don't think she has a clue where in the world she's at. Bless her heart. I don't think she knows whether this is a police department or I don't think she has a clue. Howdy. What's that?
Am I supposed to meet somebody now?
Do you have any stolen property to return?
They just
said that somebody needs to meet with the CID detective.
What's a CID detective?
Criminal Investigations Division.
Okay. Really what we need is, we need his stolen property back.
His property. Okay. Is that what's the report number?
They didn't give me anything.
They didn't give you a
other
report
than a
number?
citation
Okay.
and a trespass from this property and all the properties owned by Doris for the next year, even though I was never asked to leave,
That's
but I
it.
was trespassed.
That's good right there. We're just looking for the cameras.
Yeah, I just want my camera.
Okay. What's does she have a copy of your ID? Do you have an ID?
Well, I can give you my name.
Okay, what's your name?
Hold on one second. Go ahead. It's as if these folks don't communicate. I just gave the other guys his name and said, go get the cameras. And now they're coming over here saying, what's your name? It's like they don't communicate with one another. They work in the same damn building. And you guys are going to get that property right now?
Well, we still got to research we're still researching the incident. Okay, so once we can locate whatever that is, and if it's not evidence, then the property can be released if it's not evidence.
What if it's evidence? What if it's evidence of the police committing a crime? Are you still going to steal the property? I'm just asking.
We still need to look into the incident and see what's going on.
Okay, but what I'm saying is it's a yes or no question. I'm just curious what your procedure would be if the police had committed a crime here. Would you keep that man's property if evidence of police committing a crime was on it?
Let us first see what we have first, and then we can answer the question.
I see what you're doing, but it's really just a yes or a no on your procedures. Not on what you'll do with this particular situation, but what your procedure is. You kind of that tells me that you kind of pick and choose what you want to do, not based on procedure, but on what you feel like doing. Yeah, I almost feel like I'm like just being totally ignored, and like you're walking away from me and not even listening to me. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what happened. Huh. They did. Well, that's shocking. Yeah, they just. Oh, I thought I was talking to somebody. Nope, sure wasn't. I don't think that they seem to be in any hurry whatsoever. You're trying to investigate? When we walked in here today, they didn't even know that their officers assaulted an elderly man and stole his property. Now you're going to do an investigation? Now?
That because the news spreads fast.
Yeah, but if all they did is they beat up some old man, they stole his cameras, so therefore there's never going to be a record of the old man getting his ass beat. They can cover it up. I'm sure that whoever was present there yesterday, it was done. It was over. They figured he's not going to come back and get his property. He's scared shitless. He got the crap beat out of him. They figured it's done. It's over.
Delete the footage from the camera.
He'll go buy a new phone. He's not going to come back for it. He's scared to death. I fully believe that they thought it was done and over.
Can you call up there and ask him how much longer it's going to take? Yeah, but can you call him and ask him how much longer?
Tell him we got to get him home.
I'm in a lot of pain. Stay here all night.
I mean, out of respect for the people you guys work for.
They give you an answer? Did they tell you how long?
I just called them.
Okay, and you said they want to know how long it's going to be. Did they answer?
Said I don't work in the department. They know that you are waiting.
Oh, I was just curious because you said they want to know how long because I heard you say that to them. Did they respond to you? No? Cold shoulder? Just ignore me. Maybe it'll be as if I'm not here. Maybe if you just ignore me, it'll be like I'm not even here. Like a 2-year-old, when they cover their eyes, they're like, you can't see me. Hey, you can't see me.
Mr. Tomlinson?
Yes.
All right, so right now, it's all considered evidence, so...
It's not evidence.
Hold on. Go on.
Okay. So,
You don't have to back off. I'm not going to hit you. I'm the one that gets hit. So why is it evidence all of a sudden?
I mean, all of a sudden. I mean, that's why they
All of a sudden, I had 3 officers yesterday tell me after they trespassed me from all the dark properties that y'all own through the world that I couldn't come back here, except if I got permission, I could come back and y'all would give me my cameras. It's that simple. And that's what I asked for.
They have it booked in as evidence right now.
Evidence of what?
Evidence
Of
the assault.
what assault? On him? What assault? I'm asking who is...
You want me to... I can go into the details of the case if you want. I mean, it's up to you.
Sure, I want my equipment. You've got my smartphone. Right. It's got my medical on it. I've got appointment. I can't do anything. You have just now taken my life away from me.
Okay. Well, I mean, it was used an assault when you hit the officer with the phone.
The officer with the phone. She hit my phone.
Oh, wow.
Not on what happened to me.
Wow. So the woman who smacked the phone out of his hand is saying, you are oh man, you are despicable. You two are absolutely despicable human beings. Does your mother know what you do? You are disgusting.
Right now it's...
Does anybody have a mirror?
Evidence.
I need a card.
You are disgusting. So if you smack this phone out of my hand right now, then I've assaulted you? Is that correct?
There you go.
What's your name?
Card from you.
What's your name?
Detective Hubble.
Detective Hubble, and
Detective Taylor.
and you are also refusing to release the stolen property? It's a yes or a no.
Okay, don't walk off right now. I've got a question.
Okay, what's up?
When y'all came up and other officers from internal affairs wanted to know the case number. I have no case number.
Where's the...
Here's...
I'll write the case number on the back of the card.
Is the chief around?
I don't know if he is or not.
Okay.
Can you find out for me, please?
You have to make an appointment with him. You can do that through this lady over here.
So this woman came up to him because he was holding a camera, smacked the camera out of his hand, and then said that was assault on her. This is absolutely despicable. You are a sick human being.
How am I going to live my life? My whole life is in there.
Okay.
My whole life.
I understand.
No, you don't understand.
They don't care.
I can't do anything.
They don't care.
I don't
You
have
don't
phone
care.
numbers of anything. I don't have all my medical information's in there. Information between my wife and I are in there. Photos that nobody has a reason to look at other than me and my wife are in there. And you're holding that.
Sir, I don't want you to be behind me. You can record from over here.
I'll record from wherever I want in a public space.
I don't want you to be...
You shut up. I'll record wherever I want in a public space. Shut your mouth.
What part of it is evidence?
Do you have any more questions for me?
No, I just asked you what part of it is evidence.
I explained to you.
No, you just said it's evidence. What part of it is evidence?
No, I see it's evidence. That's okay.
No.
Then why is it okay in this case? He didn't get a card with the phone.
Do you guys see what happened here? So the female officer smacked the phone out of his hand, and so they're saying that by the officer smacking his phone out of his hand, that was assault on the female officer. You can't... How are you going to go home and sleep tonight, sir? How are you possibly going to be able to... You're going to have to take some medication to get yourself to sleep, aren't you?
Smartphone that's got my life on it. You've taken my life away. You've taken my life away.
There's no crime committed with the phone. You give the guy his phone back. Do the right thing. There was no crime committed with the phone. Give us his phone back.
Who is in control of the evidence? Who?
He knows he's... This guy knows he's wrong, too. He's embarrassed to have to come down here and do this, but he's still doing it.
The evidence, which in reality is my smartphone.
Well, I don't have anything further for you, so if you...
I'm asking you a simple question. Who, I'm asking you right now, who's in charge of my smartphone?
You're a despicable human being. You are sick.
Does your mom know what you do? Huh?
You are sick human beings. You should be disgusted with yourself.
Go to hell.
Sick pieces of shit. All right, guys. That's it right there. That's it.
Guys, I don't know what happened that day. I wasn't there. What we are asking for is simply for your help to demand that DART release the body cam footage of the incident that day. If the police did nothing wrong, then the body cam footage will prove that. DART Police Headquarters can be reached at 214-749-5900. That's 214-749-5900. Please help push for the DART Police Department to release the footage of what happened that day.